Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. I have come up with another crochet project. I made this hat for adult woman size. It is beginner friendly project. I like this stitch. I try to use it on this hat. To make this hat, I have used crochet hook of 5 mm size, measuring tape and this 4-ply yarn. So you can see here the recommended hook size is 5 mm and it's a 4-ply medium weight yarn. As I always say, you can use any yarn and any needle you have. I used around 300 grams of yarn. So if you are ready, hit the subscribe button. Let's begin. Here I have made 84 chains. To make larger size, you need to add your chains by 6, multiple of 6. And I am joining it with a slip stitch, and we will be checking if there is no twist. So this is how I have joined with the slip stitch here. If you carefully observe, on the back side we have some back loops. We are going to use this same back loops for our first row, which is double crochet. So we have 2 double crochet in each of the back loop. It looks good that way. Initially it is hard to locate that back loop and insert the needle. With the practice you can do it. If you want, you can directly insert into the chain as well. I like to do it this way by inserting into back loops all the time. It gives a good result at the end. So repeat this till the end and join with the slip stitch. I will see you at the end of this row. I am done with my first row. I have joined it with the slip stitch. To begin with, we have to make 2 chains. For ribbing, we will make front post double crochet and back post double crochet alternate. So here I will show you how to do this. We will insert the needle from the front side around this first stitch, so like this, and we will grab the yarn, pull, then normal DC, pull through 2, grab the yarn, pull through 2. For back post, we will insert the needle from back of the stitch like this and pull the loop. For the beginners, it may sound a little complicated, but it's not that hard. Just follow the instructions and it's very easy. I'm showing the same stitch again for our beginners so that it will be helpful for them. Complete this row by following FPDC and BPDC till the end. We have to follow same stitches for 8 or 6 rows more. So it depends on how long ribbing you want for the hat, and just follow the same. You can have a short rib as well of 4 rows, or you can have as long as till row 8. I will see you at the end of the ribbing. So here I have completed my ribbing. I completed it for 8 rows including the first double crochet row. So this is how it looks after completing the ribbing. I will show you by counting the rows here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It looks good after you complete it. For hat pattern, we will chain 3. For pattern row 1, we will make double crochet in all the stitches we have. So we will have total 84 stitches in the end. Complete this row and I will see you at the end to join. Here at the end of this row, I will join this with a slip stitch into the chains which we made initially. For the next row, we have to chain 3. For row 2 of the pattern, we have to skip first 3 DC and yarn over twice, make a triple crochet. We have to make a front post treble crochet here. For treble crochet, we yarn over twice like a front post double crochet. Insert the needle and pull one. Now yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through the last two. So this is how we make a triple crochet. Now second treble crochet, follow the same steps. In treble crochet we have 4 loops. Now the third one. Done with this 3 front post treble crochet, we will come back to the skipped 3 double crochets, and we have to make treble crochets. Yarn over twice and make front post treble crochet in the first skipped DC. We have 4 loops, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. This is how we made triple crochet. Make 2 more front post treble crochets in the remaining 2. Initially this looks a little messy, but once you continue the pattern it will look good. Now the third treble crochet. This is how it looks after the first 6 stitches. The pattern repeats after every 6 stitches. Now we will skip next 3 stitches here and we will make a front post triple crochet here. We will do this for 3 times. This is the third front post triple crochet. Now we have to come back to the skipped ones and we will repeat the same front post triple crochets there. For our beginners, I am showing it again. Repeat this same till the end and I will see you at the end of this row. I am at the end of this row. Join with a slip stitch and make 3 chains. Now for the next row we have to skip 6 stitches this time. I will make again the same 3 front post treble crochet in the 3 stitches. This is the first one. This is second. And this is third one. Out of the 6 skipped stitches we will make 3 back post treble crochets like this. So insert the needle from the back side of the stitch and make a treble crochet. Pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So 3 times. Now for the second stitch we have to do the same back post treble 3 times. Out of the 6 we used 3 stitches here and 3 for the last chunk of the stitches. Again, this is not that complex. Just follow the steps I have shared here, and once you have completed 1 or 2 rows you will understand it's not that hard. I'm starting my next chunk of 6 stitches here. I'm showing it for our beginners again. So continue like this. Always you have to skip 3 stitches and make 3 front post treble crochet and then 3 back post treble crochets. That's it. I will see you at the end of this row and we will see how to continue with the next. This is how the stitches look. Here I am at the end of this row. So we started from double crochets, then we did 3 FPDC and BPDCs. I will show you how to join this. This is the last chunk of the stitches. I will join here in the first stitch where we have these 3 chains made initially. From here the pattern will repeat. We will repeat row 2 and row 3. 3 chains. We will skip the 3 stitches and make FPDCs, then make 3 BPDCs in skipped 3 stitches. 3 FPDC and 3 BPDC pattern. So this is how we will continue this row. I will see you at the end of this row. We have to repeat only these 2 rows, row 2 and row 3 again and again. First time we skip 3 stitches and third row we skip 6 stitches. Repeat this till the desired length. I will be repeating this till it measures 9 inches. Here I have completed till 9 inches of length. Now we will begin with the reduction rows. For the reduction rows, we will join with a slip stitch and then chain 2. Then we have to make 2 FPDCs together like this. Pull through first 2 and keep the 2 loops like that. Again make next FPDC, pull through the first 2 loops, and now we have 3 loops on the needle. Now pull through all 3 loops. So this is how we make FPDC together. For our beginners, I will show it again. Repeat this. I will see you at the end of this row. Join with a slip stitch, then make 2 chains, then make 2 FPDCs together. We already have FPDCs together made earlier. Now we will repeat the same with these reduced FPDCs. Repeat this reduction row for as many times you want. You can repeat it for a couple of rows. I did it for a couple of rows and we are at the end of this reduction. I will cut the long tail. I am using this tapestry needle here and I will make a knot here, weave in the ends. If you crochet regularly, let me know which technique you use to close the hat and to weave in the ends in the comment section. Attaching this pom-pom here for the better look. Please let me know if you like this pattern. I hope you were able to follow it along with me. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comment section. If you are looking for a blanket stitch tutorial, then you can click on the video suggested here. It is one of the beautiful blanket patterns I have made and beginner friendly as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Happy crocheting.